Guys, Trevor here with eCommerce Paradise. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to fast start your own high-ticket dropshipping business in 30 days or less. Okay, if this is your first time watching the channel, definitely subscribe, hit the like button, drop a comment, let me know where you're watching from, and also get my free niches list at ecommerceparadise.com/99niches. Link is below in the description. Let's get into the video. Guys, so the first thing you need to fast start your high-ticket dropshipping store in 2020 or beyond is to choose a profitable niche. It's the most important thing to do, okay? If you want to know what niches are most profitable, you need to do a lot of research, okay? The best thing you can do is to find somebody who's already selling in that niche and research their store, okay? Break it down and try to figure out what the best-selling products are, what the best-selling brands are, and how much traffic they're getting and the traffic sources and all that good stuff. Just try to model that business and figure out how it does it really well. It's the best way to figure out what niches are most profitable is who's already doing it, okay? And make up your mind. Okay, it's the hardest thing to do for some people is just to choose a niche, but make up your mind about which one you want to do based upon profitability first. Second is your prior skill sets. If you already have any kind of skill sets in a particular niche, that's really going to help you fast start with selling that particular product. You're not going to have to learn a brand new industry and a brand new product right away. Okay, or three, just whatever you're most passionate about out of that profitability list. Okay, what do you think that you could become an expert or skilled person about? You need to choose it based upon that and get going. You don't necessarily have to be skilled up front. You can learn about a product category just by reading buying guides and talking to suppliers and understanding and learning about the products you sell. That's easy enough. But you have to be willing to put in that effort. And sometimes for beginners, it really just takes you being passionate about a particular product. For instance, when I first started with high-ticket dropshipping, I was selling bicycles, a particular type of bicycle that I actually rode around all the time called a fixed gear bike. I rode it around North Hollywood, California, and I had a great time riding those things. They were so much fun. They're only a little single gear, small wheel. You go really fast. They're really lightweight. You can do wheelies. It's just a lot of fun. There's a lot of kids that ride them around. They're different colors. Some are made for racing. Some are made for just tricks. It's a really fun thing. They were only like $300 to $500 on average, and I started selling them online because they were really trendy at the time. They still are trendy, and it's just a product that's a lot of fun to use as well as to sell, and I had a great time selling it. I made a lot of YouTube videos about it, made a lot of content, and it worked out really well for me. You need to find something similar in your life, whatever it is that you're doing that's going to work and actually be profitable, and it's going to be something that you're passionate about as well, okay? If you don't find that at all, the passion, that's okay too. If you have a passion about building businesses, you're going to be able to make one of these businesses profitable, okay? And you can, of course, learn about the products that you sell so you can sell them really well, and then be able to train somebody to do that for you in the future so you don't have to do it yourself. All right, number two, once you've chosen your profitable niche, made a decision and started going, you can enroll in a course or get mentorship or purchase one of my turnkey Shopify stores so that you have a fast track to building a store and having a store ready so that you can start getting suppliers, okay? It takes a while and it's kind of a hard, arduous process in the very beginning for someone who's never done it before, okay? I have some awesome things for you guys. If you want a step-by-step mentorship program, it comes with private and group coaching and a full course. Check out my high-ticket dropshipping masterclass. It's at ecommerceparadise.com/masterclass. If you want a turnkey, done-for-you Shopify store that's ready to recruit suppliers, go check that out at ecommerceparadise.com/turnkey. And as soon as you're ready, when you have your store built, because you have to build a store first, you cannot just call suppliers without a store, okay? When you have your store built, call your suppliers. Don't just email them and expect a reply, okay, especially during this coronavirus time, but you have to call and email and follow up like crazy and get supplier accounts, get dealers on board, and then fill out their agreements and get their product catalog and their policies. Once you have supplier dealer accounts that allow you to drop ship their products, and you have their product catalogs, their price sheets, their barcodes, and their policies, it's time to upload them to your website. So upload all their products, all the policies, things like that, okay? Once you've done that, and you at least have a few suppliers ready to go, you need to optimize your store for conversions. I have some awesome resources for the top best Shopify apps for your Shopify store. Check that out on the blog, ecommerceparadise.com. You need to optimize your store for conversions, guys. It's super important. That Shoptimize theme is awesome. If you guys haven't heard of the Shoptimize theme, go check it out on my website, ecommerceparadise.com/Shoptimize review, and see why it's one of the best Shoptimize themes out there. There's also a great theme called the Booster theme, and there's some other Shopify themes that are great as well, but I recommend the Shoptimize theme. If you want to purchase the Shoptimized theme and get it going, you can do that. ecommerceparadise.com/shoptimized and get $20 off their pro package with code Paradise20. The next step, once you set up your conversion optimization, optimize your store, is to set up email marketing and retargeting ads. Email marketing is essential to getting people to come back to your store to complete their purchase. 98%, 99% of your customers or your leads that come to your store will not actually convert and make purchases, so you have to get those people back somehow. Email is free to send out emails. It just costs a monthly fee for your account once you get over a certain amount of emails, subscribers, and it's usually pretty low. Also, you want to set up retargeting ads with Facebook. This is crucial for all types of e-commerce, but especially for high-ticket dropshipping, because the sales cycle takes a lot longer with high-ticket dropshipping. People that come to your store might take a week or 2 or 3 to make their decision. Okay, so you've got to keep hitting them up with retargeting ads all throughout the next few weeks. Next, set up your Google Merchant Center, set up your Google Shopping feed, and set up your Google Shopping ads. Okay? This is crucial to making a lot of money with high-ticket dropshipping. You've got to get going with Google Shopping, guys. Google Shopping is the #1 place where people search for and buy high-ticket products online, so you've got to get that going. And your Google Merchant Center is your first step, and then creating your shopping feed and optimizing it is the next step, and setting up your Google Shopping ads. I have tons of training resources, free and under my masterclass, and I also even provide this as a service, okay? But this is essential. And the last thing is answer the phones once you start getting leads, and answer those emails and close some sales. Get some sales, folks. You'll usually make on average like 20 to 30% gross per sale with high-ticket dropshipping. So if you're selling $2,000, $3,000 products, you're making like $600, $1,000 per sale, $3,000 per sale. It's pretty crazy what you can do with high-ticket dropshipping, okay? You don't have to do any of the product development. You don't have to do any of the actual fulfillment. You're just sending purchase orders to your supplier. Once you get sales, your supplier ships them out for you, and you get to provide tracking to your customer and keep the profit and just do some customer service. It's really easy, guys. It's an awesome business model. And if you are interested in getting fast started and you want to do it yourself, go check out my high-ticket dropshipping masterclass at ecommerceparadise.com/masterclass. And if you want to get fast started and get a turnkey Shopify store, one that already has preloaded products and the best branding possible for your particular niche, go check it out at ecommerceparadise.com/turnkey and purchase either 1, 2, or 3 starter stores to get going and to launch your own business and to become profitable in potentially 30 days or less without any prior experience. It's pretty awesome what you can do. Let's get started, guys. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, comment, and let me know if you have any questions below, and I'll personally reply. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.